Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable test mode on your Windows 10 device. So test mode will appear when you're using unsigned drivers on your Windows 10 computer, meaning that they have not been digitally signed off by Microsoft. And generally you'll see a little watermark appear below the application that will say that you are operating in test mode, as well as the Windows version and build number. So generally speaking, I'm just going to show you guys how to turn that off. And we're going to go and start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in CMD. Best managed circle back with command prompt. You want to go right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. So just highlight over it, right click and copy, or the Control C combination on your keyboard, whatever you're more comfortable with. And then once you have it saved to your clipboard, head up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should say the operation completed successfully. So there you go, guys. Simple as that. Nothing else to do at this point other than closing out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.